Hello everyone, and welcome back to YouTube, my channel. BTS latest news. Here we go. Jungkook BTS remakes old age photos at fan sign. Net highlights his face shape. Today, 18 events. Jungkook BTS held an online fan sign with 60 lucky fans. One of the fans who took part in the golden fan sign shared this precious moment on social media. The screenshot video shared by fans caught Nets' attention and gave mixed reactions. In the video, the OP asks Jungkook to do a challenge pose when he was little. OP shared 3 photos. Jungkook happily imitated the pose and even tilted his head. In the first photo, Jungkook raised 2 fingers. In the second photo, he was laughing, and in the photo, he was expressionless. But he couldn't help but smile when he saw the photo from his childhood. Jungkook made Nets annoyed with his behavior. They even highlighted his face, which looked not much different from a photo from his childhood. Below are various reactions and several comments from Nets after seeing Jungkook do the childhood pose challenge at the fan sign. Still the same as when he was young, only his body has grown bigger. Very cute, just like when you were a baby. It's the same. Looks like there's no change. It's a lot like when you were a baby. Why are you so cute lately? I keep looking at it. It's the same, so I don't know who Jungkook is now, haha. I like things like this, haha. A challenge that will satisfy both those doing it and those watching. It doesn't make any difference. He's still a baby. So cute. That's so cute. Why are you so cute? I think I can hear chirping in the photo when he was a baby, haha. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments. BTS's Jungkook extends ARMY fans video call time for important reasons. Jungkook is too cute. BTS Jungkook gave ARMYs extra time during their video call for what he called an important reason. On November 3, Jungkook released his first solo album, Golden. Apart from appearing on international programs, Jungkook also carries out promotions for K-pop releases as usual, including attendance at music events. Another aspect of the K-pop comeback process that fans are excited for Jungkook to participate in his video fan calls. Prior to the album's release, BIGIT Music shared that 60 lucky fans were selected to speak with the artist for 1 minute via a lottery. Many were looking forward to this because similar events held by Shoobin Jimin produced some iconic moments. On November 18, a video call event took place, and fans all over the world shared some of their special moments with Jungkook. Some of them took the opportunity to share their love and admiration for the artist, while others asked him to recreate his childhood photos in an admirable way. Another ARMY video call went viral after Jungkook extended their time for iconic reasons. Previously, Jungkook had expressed his desire to share drinks with fans and often did so on his live streams. This made one ARMY share one of their favorite drink recipes with Jungkook during a video call in the most practical way. In their video clip shared on X, fans mix drinks as Jungkook watches in amusement. After a minute had passed, a monitor could be heard instructing fans to end the call, even though the demonstration had not yet finished. Jungkook, holding up his imaginary drink while he made his drink, told them to wait, saying, "Wait, this is very important." ARMY finished making their drinks, and the two shared cheers before Jungkook said goodbye. Fans have been enjoying the video clip and are looking forward to Jungkook also making the drink during the upcoming live stream. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments. Stray Kids wins first win in Music Core since debut, defeating Jungkook BTS and IV. Netizens gave their congratulatory comments to Stray Kids, who managed to win the Music Core trophy, beating Jungkook BTS and IV. Stray Kids' victory in Music Core, which beat Jungkook BTS and IV, also received various reactions from netizens. There were netizens who were touched that Stray Kids finally managed to win their first Music Core trophy by beating Jungkook BTS and IV. The reaction of the Stray Kids members when they found out they won was also in the spotlight of netizens. The Stray Kids members looked surprised and didn't expect that they would succeed in bringing the Music Core trophy for the first time. Today, 18 events. Stray Kids' song La 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 won over IV's Baddie and Jungkook's Standing Next to You. La 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 got the highest score of 69.01 and managed to win. Meanwhile, Standing Next to You scored 52.64 and Baddie 58.74. The song La 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 La, which succeeded in bringing Stray Kids to victory at Music Core, also received a lot of praise. Their fans also cheered for Stray Kids, who managed to get the Music Core Trophy. Moreover, this is their first win since their debut in 2018. Netizens also gave many comments of support and congratulations to Stray Kids. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to like and